Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. So, up to previous class, we were discussing about SEO basics, what we discussed in yesterday's class. Just a second. So we were discussing about just what is SEO and what is actually before SEO, what is search engine and every what are the famous search engines which are available in the market. So we discussed those search engines, and even we discussed how the search engines are working and what is the similarity in those search engines, and why Google is famous. So even not only Google is not only search engines are like Google, not only Google is available in the market, but there are plenty of search engines available. But most of the people are using Google because they trust Google. And even what is SEO definition also we learned to rank our website on the top of the search results for the targeted keyword is the SEO and SEO basics we learned. So today also we are going to learn basics only, so not in depth of knowledge on SEO. So before going to in-depth knowledge into SEO, just we have to learn some more things in SEO. Actually, in SEO, the main two parts are on-page optimization and off-page optimization. But apart from on-page and off-page, we also have some more another topic, another important topic, that is keyword analysis or keyword tools. So we have some more topic. Keyword analysis is very important because you have to you have to get your website on the top of the Google search engine only with the targeted keyword. So the targeted keyword is the very important. So that's why you have to guess, you have to assume so what the user is going to provide the keyword. So that is the nothing but keyword analysis. You have to do the analysis of the keywords which are going to be entered by the user in the Google search engine. So that one also very important topic. So before on page and before off page automation and on page automation, we will discuss keyword analysis also. Okay. So you may get doubt. So why I need to use this SEO? Why I have to do this SEO? What is the benefits for me? So you may get some doubts. So what are the advantages exactly? What are the advantages of this particular SEO? And I don't know how many kinds of will I get any leads to my to in order to sell my products, or in order to promote my business, or anything you can ask like that. But each and everything I will prove you that it is really it's worthy, and you have to even as a SEO professional also you can continue your career. So you can start your career as a SEO professional. Also, you don't need to learn any other things. As only SEO also, for only SEO professionals also, there is a huge demand in the market. Even top of even MNC companies also taking recruiting these SEO professionals to promote their brands, to promote their client brands, or to promote their brands, their projects, or everything. So, actually, before going into SEO basics, so why SEO? Just we talk with generally. So why you need to do SEO as a, if you have a website, or if you have a business, if you have a company, or if you have a product in order to sell. So anything, whatever the thing you have, you need to do SEO definitely, because 93% of the people trust search engines. Not 100%, but 93% of the people in the world trust search engines, because just I will show you who is the prime minister of. Okay, just I will go to Google. Okay, so just I type here who is the prime minister of India. what it gave. Google gave me the answer of Narendra Modi since 2014. Damodar Das Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 16th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 14 and is a member of parliament from Varanasi. So I don't know actually really if you assume I don't know who is the Prime Minister of India. What I have done, I didn't ask any person. So I didn't ask my friend or any people who is the Prime Minister of India. I just Google it. I just Google it and I found the answer. That means I'm trusting the Google. So I'm not trusting any people, just I'm trusting the Google. So like this you can ask anything. Who is the Home Minister of India? What it is giving. Uh, Ever since the time of independent India's first Home Minister, it is saying Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, first Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But now, see, Rajnath Singh is the uh, now present Home Minister of India. So that means whatever the answer it is giving, I'm trusting and I'm following the answers. That means I blindly trust the Google. That means if at all I want to search the best school in Hyderabad, like this I type. So definitely see here, Hyderabad Public School, Begumpet, Hyderabad Best Schools, 20 top and best schools in Hyderabad. The best schools in Hyderabad. So top 10 schools in Hyderabad 2017. Which school is the best in Hyderabad? Which is the best school in Hyderabad with good academic sports? Best international schools. Top 10 schools in Hyderabad of 2018. Best CBSE schools in Hyderabad. See here. So any one of the link, I just click this link. So like this you will get it. It is taking time, but see here. So admissions open. This is, I think this is also one of the best schools. What is this Global Indian International School? So we don't know whether it is a good or bad, but Google is giving it. This is the best school. So what you will do? The people who are trusting the Google definitely trust that. Okay, this is the good school. So this is the best school. So that I can join my children or I can join any other. I can even recommend other people to join their children in this school. So like this you will trust whatever you get in the Google. Some people trust like this. So that's why even when you want to search, when you are searching any for product or any business or anything, then if you get your product, if Google is prioritizing, if Google is giving the results of your product or your business or your website or anything, then definitely people will trust your business, people will trust your product. So if Google is not giving your products or your list or your website, then what will happen? People will not see, even people will not see your website also there, your product or your business or anything. So that means if your link or if your business is, if your website is getting on the top of the search results. So that means people will trust that this is the genuine business, or this is the genuine company, or this is the genuine product, or this is the genuine website. So like that, that's where 93% of the people are trusting search engine. So this all these things are happened only with the help of SEO. If you do SEO, you will get your website in the top of the search results, and even it is a free of cost. So you don't need to pay single amount of rupee, and long term benefits you will have. That means if you do SEO once, and then it will help you in the long term. So that means SEO, if you do, that means the best schools in Hyderabad you type. So this will be, you will get when whenever you are doing the SEO, when you continuously do the SEO, you will get the results in the long term. So not only in the short term, and you will get the long term benefits. And SEO is not at all a overnight task. It's not a overnight task, and you cannot do this task within hours, or like the within days. If you think like that, we can complete this SEO task within hours of work or minutes. No, not like that. You cannot overnight you cannot do anything. So you have to spend some time. Even it takes months, minimum 2 to 3 months it takes in order to get the results of the SEO. So, and even brand authority will be there. So that's why most of the people are turning for the SEO concept, and most of the people are using SEO concept in order to promote their business. So okay, so we just discussed the basics. As you know, SEO stands for search engine optimization. So SEO refers to bring your website on the first page of Google for not only Google, first page of any search engine for the searched word. Suppose Let's suppose you and me both having our own websites on photography, and when photography word is searched in Google, my website comes at the first page and your website comes at the 10th page. So let us suppose. So you also have one website on photography, I also have one website on photography. But the user who types photography on the Google search engine, or any search engine, but my website comes on the first page and your website comes on the 10th page. So now tell me, who will get more traffic? Which website will have more traffic? Definitely the website which comes on the first page. Definitely the website which comes at 10th page will not have that much traffic, because no people will move to 10th page. As we discussed in the previous class, no people will move to second page or third page, fourth page, fifth page, 10th page. No one will see that website in the 10th page. So that is none of use, and there is no need of it's a wastage. It's a If you get your website in the 10th page, it's a no use. It will not have any impact, and you will not get any traffic. So in this case, definitely the photography, the website which comes on the first page will get a huge amount of traffic, and definitely uh, the website which is getting on the 10th page will not get. So that for bringing that website on the first page of the Google, in order to bring the website which is there, which is listing at the 10th page, we have to drag that website to the first page. So in order to drag that website which is listing in the 10th page to first page, you have to do the SEO. We have to do SEO. That means search engine optimization, in order to get the that particular website, in order to list the website on the top of the search results or first page. Even if you get first page, if you bring your website into the first page, is half of your task is completed, and then you have to try to get your website on the top. That means first 2 to 3 results your website will be available. So it is the natural question: if my website comes at the first page of a Google, what are the benefits? So we already discussed it. So okay, I'm getting my website on the first page. So what are my benefits? If I get traffic, okay. So if I get traffic, what is the benefit for me? So definitely you will get this kind of questions. So okay, I got my website on the top of the first page. I have done SEO very well, and I got my website on the first page of search engine, and I'm getting huge traffic. So if I get a huge traffic, what is the benefit for me? So the most of the people will have will get these kind of doubts. So just I will show you one website. Okay, I think this website is not working. alljntuworld.com.in. See here, this is the website which is related to some educational related website. Okay, it's a educational related website, and it will have all the some university related, JNTU university related, all the information will be available here. So you don't bother about the website, you just look at the ads here. You see here ads by Google. So and then we will see this one also ad, I think. Yes, this one is also ad. See here, ads by Google. See here, ads by Google. So what I will do, before the Google JNTU results I searched. I don't want I don't know, I want to get the results, but I don't know the particular website. What I type JNTU results. What's the website I got? JNTU results.in I got. JNTH results.in I got. Okay, this is the website of that particular JNTU university. Okay, see here, all JNTU world. This one is also getting on the top of the search results. So what I will do, I click on this particular website. So when you get your website on the top of the search results, what will happen? I click on the particular website, and then what I have been seeing, I'm seeing the ads here. So how I am getting ads? If you get more traffic, if you generate the more traffic to your website, so definitely Google will give you ads to your website, because you are getting your website is having more traffic. That means more people are coming to your website. That means if I place some ad, the more people are going to see the particular ad. That means more brand awareness will get, and more clicks you will get, and more that particular ad the brand authority will increase. So in that way, if you get more traffic to your website, so definitely you can get the more ads. That means with the help of ads you will get the money. So that the ultimate goal is, everyone's ultimate goal is to earn money. So in order to earn money, if you get your website on the top of the search results, you will get more traffic. When you get more traffic, you will have Google ads. Definitely you will get the Google ads. When you get the Google ads, so definitely you will get money. So this is the ultimate goal. So that's why if you don't get any traffic to your website, so definitely you cannot earn money, because they won't give you ads. If you have good amount of traffic to your website, then only they will give you ads. So in order to get the traffic, you have to get your website on the top of the search results. For that, you have to do SEO. So this is the concept of SEO. Okay, so when you click on any of ads of these, the site owner is paid for that click, as you know. Okay, so definitely for that reason you have to do the SEO. So not only for earning purpose, some companies do the SEO for their brand authority, or for increasing, generating awareness on the people regarding their brand. So it depends on the business. Totally it depends on the business. So not only for earning money. So some of the companies, let's suppose if you take e-commerce, so what is their goal? What is their primary goal? So they have to redirect the users to their store, because it's an online store. They have to make the users to buy their products. So their goal is not to earn money through the Google ads. So their goal may be different. So according to the business, so goals will be changed. So if you have one website on particular field, on particular niche, so definitely your goal will be, so in order, your goal will be to earn money on that particular, what we say, on that particular website. So by getting the ads, Google ads, so like that. So if it is a e-commerce company, the user has to buy the product. So that, and if it's any brand awareness company, users will are going to know the brand and brand features and everything. So like that, according to the business, your business requirements will be different, and your primary goal also will be different. So let's take another concept of why you choose SEO as a career. So why you want to choose SEO as a career? Because if you choose SEO as your career, so definitely, because high demand is there right now in market. So there is a huge demand for the SEO services. Definitely, if you apply for 2 to 3 companies, so definitely in the 2 to 3 companies you will get the job in any one of the company, because there are no sufficient SEO professionals in the market. So that's why, if you have, if you don't, you don't need to have 100% of knowledge in the SEO. Rather than, if you have some sort of knowledge in the SEO, definitely you will get the job. So SEO people earn good profit. Even SEO people, not only job, in order to, not only job, you can take the projects from the companies also. So you can take up the project, SEO project from any company, and then you can do the project and you can get the money. So it's just challenging career. You should be a creative man. You should have creative mind, and you should have analytical skills, and you should be open minded. You should be you should have good communication skills. So these are the best, these are the skills you should have when you enter into this digital marketing field, and when you enter into this SEO, especially SEO career. So you should have customer perspective, you should have creativity, planning, mindset, so open minded. So like this, you should have all the skills. So then only you will have good future in this SEO career. It's a challenging career, and the perfect next step if you come from marketing or advertising career. If you are working in the this traditional marketing, or if you are working on the advertising related career, so definitely you can move to the, without any ambiguity, without any doubt, you can directly jump into this career. So but you have to learn, and you have to learn every day. You have to learn, you have to take the, what are the advantages, what are the what are the updates which are going in the this particular world in the market. So definitely you have to learn every day. You have to learn what is the new updates coming into the in the digital marketing. So what how the people are doing SEO, other people, how other people are doing SEO, why, how you are doing, and what is the difference. So how to do, daily updates will be there. So you have to change your updates day by day. Okay. So just a second. Okay. So even, okay. So even SEO is already recognized as a career globally. So not only in India, not only in Hyderabad, or not only in Mumbai or Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi. No, so not only these cities, you will get career opportunities throughout globally. So globally, you will have career opportunities on this SEO. So and even it's recognized by SEO is recognized by all the popular search engines and all the MNC companies also. So this is about choosing SEO as your career. The next is, so in SEO we will have these topics. So keyword research. One is keyword research, and another one is on-page SEO, and next one is off-page optimization or off-page SEO. So just we what are the topics which are involved in the these three topics. So in SEO, these are the main. Keyword research is first one, and on page and off page, these three are very very important. So if you learn these three in SEO, so definitely you will have good career. So keyword research. So keyword research is nothing but keyword is the key to SEO, because when you are talking about SEO definition, what we have discussed in the SEO definition. So in order to get the in order to get your website on the top of the search results for the targeted keyword, so you are using the targeted keyword, that means it's a keyword. So without keyword, you will not get the you will not get your website in the top of the search results. So just I will show you. So what is exactly keyword? So I want to uh, what I will type here. So APMSET results. What I typed here, APMSET results. So APMSET results is a, it's a keyword. So whatever the user, whatever he types in the Google search engine is nothing but it's a keyword. Whatever he types, but you have to assume as a digital marketing expert, as a SEO expert, as a SEO professional, you have to expect. You have to think, you have to expect what kind of keyword is going to enter by the user. That's why we were talking about, as a digital marketing analyst, you should have these all the skills like analytical skills, creativity, customer perspective is nothing but this one only, planning mindset, open minded. Why all these things I'm saying? Because you should have this kind of skills only. When you if you have these skills, then only you can assume what kind of, if on the particular topic, on the particular niche, if you are talking about MSET results, so definitely AP MSET results or Andhra Pradesh MSET results. So Andhra Pradesh MSET 2018 results and AP MSET 2018 results. So like this you have to assume. So for this keyword, maybe user is going to type. So MSET results are released, AP MSET results are AP MSET 18. So like this, the people are going to type the keywords. So that means you have to analyze that keywords and you have to do the SEO for that keywords, and so then definitely you will get the you will get your website on the on this Google search engine when the people when the people type that particular keyword which are targeted by which you target. So like that. So ABMZ results, so this is one of the targeted keywords. So for the targeted keyword, what kind of results I got, you just see here. So Times of India website I got, and News 18 and DNA and other. See APMZ 2018. So these are all the search engine. These are all SEO results only. So up to here, these are all came by the SEO only. So you know there is no any paid results are there. These are all came only by SEO. So every company has done its SEO. Times of India has done its SEO for this targeted keyword, and News 18 also has done SEO. DNA India has done SEO, and even this government website also has done SEO. DNA India has done SEO, and JNTU This one also has done SEO. Indian Express also has done. Engineering.career360.com also has done SEO for this particular targeted keyword, so that's why you are getting the results of that particular website. First post also done. See here, like that you can see here how many you will get, how many results we have, how many pages we have. See here how many pages you are getting. See, up to 16 pages you have. See here, up to 16 pages you have. So will any even on the 16th page also you got some results, right? Some IP times, news X, some gazillionaire, Vidya 360. But the people come to 16th page and people are going to click on this particular links. No, we can't think. So the I don't we don't think that but the people come to this 16th page and 15th page and they click on these particular links. No, they will not click. So these are the results coming, but these all the results should come on the top of the first page. So but on the top of the first page, how many links you can get? Just I will go to first page. See, one, two, three. This one is same for this news 18, and this one is same, and this one same. So both these three are same, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many results you got? Hardly you will get 10 to 12 pages you get. So that means whatever you do, you should compete with that particular 10 websites which are coming on the top of the search results. So you have to fight with those. You have to fight with those, not physically. You should fight with them. So you should fight with them with the help of SEO. You have to do SEO better than them. So everyone is doing SEO. Here, how many results you are getting? Even on the 10th page, the people who are getting that results, All India Roundup and Lokmat News, Chain2k.net, and these all websites are also doing SEO. And whatever the results you are getting on the first page, also doing SEO. But why those people are coming on the 10th page, but why these people are coming on the first page? So that is the main difference in the SEO, because they are doing the best, but these people are, they may not, they may have done some mistakes, they may not have done the proper SEO. That's why they are not getting the results on the top of the first page. That's why they are getting on the 10th page. So if you fight with these top 10 pages, top 10 websites, so definitely you will get in the top of the, you will get on the even on the first page. So but apart from this SEO, Google will take some metrics. It will follow some metrics. So which website has to come on the first, and which website has to come on the last, and like that. So it will follow some metrics. So it will not give it will not who is doing the best SEO. I will give on the top page. Who is not doing the best SEO, I will give on the last page. So not like that. Even apart from SEO, SEO is also a key factor, but apart from SEO, it will also consider some metrics. So according to that some metrics, so then it prioritize the website and it gives the on the top of the search results. So what are that metrics? So those everything we will discuss in the next classes. You don't need to worry. So the metrics, it follows some metrics. So what kind of metrics it follow, and why, how to maintain that metrics also very important. So that topic also comes under SEO only. Okay, so like that it follows some metrics. So this is the concept of keyword research. So how to do the keyword research? So it's everything. So in that concept, we will have introduction to keyword research, and even we have some types of keywords also we have, and keyword research analysis tools. What are the tools in order to analyze the keywords? Preparing keyword list for the project. You can prepare the keyword list for your project. So choosing the right keyword to optimize, and competition analysis, keyword density, keywords in special pages, and keyword in URL and file names, and keywords in page titles, and keywords in headings. So these concept comes under keyword analysis. So and then next topic is on-page SEO. So that means it's on-page SEO is to impress the search engine. So you do this on-page SEO in order to impress the search engine, and you will get the you will do all those things which are related to SEO, and then Google will try to provide you the on the top of the search results if you do the best on-page SEO. So what is on-page optimization? And on-page factors, title tag, meta tag optimization, meta keywords, meta description, and header tags. So content optimization, anchor tag, so bold, italic, and underline, keyword density, image optimization, internal navigation, robots.txt, static sitemap, XML sitemap, URL optimization or permalink, canonicalization, 301 and 302 error redirection, 404 error handling, meta geotag, and other factors. So all these things comes under on-page SEO. You have to do all those things in order to get your website on the top of the search results. You have to do not doing one day and you can live like that. So not like that. You have to do continuously. You have to do continuously, do the on-page SEO, and SEO only you have to do continuously. So doing one day and leaving one day, doing one day and leaving one day. After one day, some people do like that. They do SEO for one day and then they leave 10 days. For 10 days or 1 week to 10 days, they will not touch the SEO part, and then again after 11th day or 12th day they again try to do the SEO. So like that. So if you do like that, you will not get, even in your lifetime you will not get your website on the top of the search results. So if you want to get your website on the top within short time, like 2 to 3 months, so in short time means not one day or 2 day, within 1 day 2 day you will not get your website even on the top, in the even in the last page also you will not get your website, because you have to work hard for minimum 2 to 3 months continuously. Minimum 2 to 3 months daily you have to do the SEO. So then only after 2 to 3 months your results will you will get your results on the top of the search results. Okay, so it will not happen overnight. So that you have to think very carefully. You have to take, if you get any projects even in the future as a digital marketing expert, if you get the project and SEO, and if your client asks you, so within 2 to 3 days I have to get the website on the top of the search results, some people may ask, but you have to say that no sir, it will not be possible, because it takes 2 to 3 months in order to get the website on the top of the search results. But within 2 to 3 days, by using SEO, you cannot do, you can get within 2 to 3 days. Not only within 2 to 3 days, within half an hour to 1 hour you will get, but not with the help of SEO. You can do that with the help of AdWords. That is another topic. You have to pay money, but with the free results, with the free of cost, you will not get the results in the on the spot, or within the fraction of minutes or hours. So in order to get, if you want urgent, if you want to promote your brand, or if you want to get your products online, or if you want to you are to promote your business on the day only, you don't have that much time, 2 to 3 months. So then you better to go with the that particular AdWords topic. You have to go with the AdWords, so not with the SEO, because SEO is a long term benefits. You will have long term benefits. On the short term you will not get the SEO benefits. So according to your business you have to choose. So that's why, so SEO is not a one day or 2 day activity. You have to do this activity time to time, and for 2 to 3 months continuously you have to do. So these are all the on page SEO topics, and we also have off page SEO topics. So those are, what is off page optimization, and what is backlinks, page rank, directory submission, article submission, press release, social bookmarking, forums, forums posting, blog commenting, and profile creation. So these are all involved in the off page optimization. So then if you complete these three topics, so then our SEO topic will be completed. So just again, we will discuss some of the basic topics only. So from tomorrow, we will discuss. So we will start the keyword analysis. So from keyword analysis, we discuss keyword analysis and then on page and then off page. So one just around 4 to 5 days it will take for this SEO topic. So before entering into keyword analysis, and we also have some more topics to discuss, that is like history, SEO history and everything we will have. So SEO history, SEO first began in the 1990s with the people submitting a particular site to a search engine. So search engines then programs called spiders that would reuse the web, stores the data and catalog that millions of pages it came across. So the search pulled of information using an indexer that stored the various types of information for the search engine. So in the 1990s, SEO started in the 1990s when the that particular internet is booming. Internet is having starting its career in the market. So at that time only, the search engines started submitting the people started submitting their websites to the search engines. So search engines, the what they do, so that search engines programs called spiders. So the spiders are the softwares. The softwares, what they do, they would reuse the web and store the data and catalog the millions of pages it came across. So when the people are submitting the website to the particular search engine, so the spiders are doing this, spiders are going to store the data, and the spiders are only going to do the store and catalog the millions of pages whatever they were submitted by the people. So the search pulled up the information, the spiders are going to store the data. But the indexer, so indexer is also another program which is designed by the developed by the search engine. This indexer is going to pull the data from the stored where the data is stored. So for that particular storage, it pulls the data and gives to the, so it gives back to the people who search for the particular keyword. So this is only in the 1990s, but today it's different. So that we will discuss how the search engine is maintaining the all the data regarding websites. So everything also we discuss, you don't need to worry. So as you know what is search engine, so a web search engine is designed to search for information on the world wide web. So on the world wide web, if you want to search for any information, you can search for the information by using the search engine. It fetches the information based on the algorithm and displays results in the result place. So some algorithms will work on the back end. So internally, some algorithms will work when you type some keyword APMZ results you type. So when you type APMZ results, you have to get the relevant pages which are on the particular targeted keyword. You have to get the relevant pages. So in order to get the relevant pages, that some algorithms will work internally. So we will discuss those algorithms also. So according to these algorithms and displays the results in the result space. So that is nothing but search engine. So search engine algorithm means, so SEO is a program rather than algorithm inbuilt in the search engine server. So some uh, So in the search engine servers, this SEO, in the search engine servers, we will have some algorithms. So according to these algorithms, so they will pull the data from the search engines. So where the data is stored, and it will displace back to the results page. So when we click on the search button, the results are delivered by running the SEO program. So when you click on that particular search button, the results will be delivered by running the SEO program. So this program computes the total SEO marks for each of the website for the keyword being searched. So then arranged in the ascending order of the total SEO marks of the each of the website. So the SEO marks are dependent on the content, design, and the link popularity of the website. So the SEO marks are dependent on the content design and the link popularity of the website. So, uh, so this is the SEO, the search engine algorithm. So by using the search engine algorithm, you will get the results. So but in SEO we have two types as we discussed. So on-page automation and off-page. On-page means in this the changes are made within the website. So but in the up page the changes are made in the outside the website, so you have to do your do some changes in your website in the on page optimization, so in order to get the in the top of the search engines like Google. So but off page is nothing but in this category, in this optimization we do the changes outside of the website. That means we will not do any changes in our website, but we do some changes outside. So in order to get the in order to get our website on the top of the search result. So on page optimization accounts for only 10%, but 90% of SEO is the off page optimization. So you don't know, but when you do on page and off page, so you don't get the same results. So when you do off page and off page, page, the Google considers off-page optimization more. So rather than on-page, it considers off-page optimization more. So if you do on-page, you will get only 10% of the SEO results. But if you do off-page, so remaining 90% of the results you will get. So that's why, but you have to do both. So if you do off-page and if you forget doing on-page, it will be also problematic for you. So that's why you have to do both on page and off page. So both you have to do, but you will get the 10% of the results only on the on page, but you will get the 90% of the results from the off page. So before you are going to do SEO, so definitely the primary is nothing but it's the most important is to know what kind of the site you are going to develop, or you are going to do SEO for what kind of website. So what kind of content it has. So definitely you should understand. So before starting any SEO project, you should, before that you should have the full knowledge on that particular website, what that website deals about. So what content is available in the website, and what are the searched keywords, and what kind of targeted keywords you have to target. So in order to get the on the top of the search results, so you have to analyze all those things, and you have to so we have to after developing the website. So whether it is a WordPress website, or whether it is a any Java, .NET or PHP, any other CMS related website, but you have to analyze the website first. So before starting the SEO project, you have to analyze the website first. So then you have to choose the set of keywords and everything we can do. So even we discuss advantages of SEO. So SEO is common for almost all the popular search engines. So for any search engine, so as we discussed in the previous class, we discussed four to five search engines in previous class. But every search engine, the SEO process for every search engine, SEO process is same. So if you do SEO for one website, if you do SEO for one website, so you can do SEO for all the website in the all the search engines. So for the excuse me, if you do SEO for one search engine, so then the same procedure will be available for all the search engines. So it's a common procedure for all the popular search engines. So that is your site will rank in top in the almost all the search engines while doing SEO, and it is common for all the technologies like .NET, PHP and Java. Even if the Google wants to rank its own site on the top, it has to do SEO, and there is no other way. Even if Google is having some websites, its own websites, so even getting the for getting on the top of the search result, it also has to do the SEO. There is no alternate way. So that's why SEO is a, okay, just a second. So that's why SEO is common for all the websites that are registered. So it treats all of them equally. So there is no any recommendations, or there is no any partiality on the website. So Google takes all the website equally. So according to the algorithm, it works on the algorithm. No people are going to work on that particular Google search engine. It works automatically by the algorithm. So the websites can be developed using various technologies, but ultimately the code gets converted into HTML in the background because HTML is the browser's language, and SEO reads this HTML code. To check this HTML code of any site, open the site in the browser and press Ctrl U. So whatever the technology, you don't bother about the technology. Some people may bother, some people may have some doubts like, if this SEO digital marketing professionals will have some doubts like, we are not software programmers and we don't know any software languages. But if any website which is developed by using Java or .NET or PHP or any other language, how can we do the SEO for that website, because it's developed in the some other language which we don't know? They will have this kind of doubts. Sometimes some people will have this kind of doubts. In this situation, you don't need to worry, because whatever the whatever the language you develop, but ultimately that language code will be converted into HTML, because the browser will not understand the any language. It will not understand any language. It understands only HTML language. It understands only HTML. And when you have knowledge on HTML is not a big task to in order to learn. You can learn this simultaneously with simple tips. So HTML is not a big task to learn. So if you have some HTML knowledge, it will be very enough. It will be enough for you if you have some tags knowledge. So what are the HTML tags are available? What is the how to do some how to write simple HTML code? If you have knowledge, so definitely you don't need to worry. You don't need to have the knowledge on .NET, Java, PHP. So you can directly do the task. You can do the SEO by reading this just HTML code. So that's why in the background, so HTML is only understandable by the browser. So just I will give you an example. I'm typing some news website, and then what I want to what I will do, I press Ctrl U. See here, what I got, I'm getting the code of that particular website. I got the code, but this website is developed on some other language. Let us think it is developed. Just a second, we will check in which language it was developed. Just a second. So this dot ec I searched, so that means it is giving me they are dynamically generated web page generated by the Oracle Express application server. So some Oracle concept they have used, I think so. I don't know what exactly this EC and everything. So I don't know this language. So really, we don't know what is this how and which language this website was developed. But even you can do SEO for this website also, because when you see the view source of this particular website, when you want to see the view source, just click the you open the website and then click the control U, press the control U, then you will get the view source of your website. That means the code you will get the code of your website you will get on the browser. So that will be only on the HTML, because you will have this particular code on the HTML, because browser understands only HTML. It will not understand any language. So it converts. So whatever the language it was developed, so it converts into a HTML. See here. So HTML, XML, LNS, so head, meta. So see here. Just see here what it says. Title. You just you just move your you just move your mouse into this address bar. On the top of the address bar, what you are getting: the Hindu, breaking news, India news, sports news, and live updates. It's nothing but it's a title automation which comes in the, it's also a part of SEO. In the on page automation you will have this one. So how you are doing this title, so you don't know that particular language, that server side language you don't know, but even you don't need to bother. You can just by using title tag. So title, open the title tag, close the title tag, and you write the title description, or the title you do the title automation in the within this title tag. So like this you can do, you don't need to worry. So even if you work for a company, so definitely developers will be available. You don't need to worry, they will take care. So just you give the instructions. As a SEO expert, you don't need to write the code or anything. You have to intimate, you have to give the you have to instruct the particular developers. So like that you have to say, so use this one, here you use this one. So if you say like this, then the developers will write the code and they will add whatever you say. So as a SEO expert, you don't need to learn any technical knowledge. You don't need to learn any software languages. If you have some knowledge on HTML, it's more than enough. The HTML knowledge is more than enough. See here. So the title. So if you have knowledge on HTML, you will understand this title tag. What is this title tag? Title tag is nothing but it's a HTML tag. So HTML is it's a hypertext markup language, which is having only in this particular code, it is having only all the tags. So whatever you write in the HTML code, you have to write in the form of tags. See here. So these are all the meta description. See here: meta name, title, content. See here: meta name, viewport. This is a different one. So like that, you will get all the data in the form of HTML only. See here. All the HTML code only. It will be converted into HTML. So if you have knowledge on HTML, you don't need to worry. You will understand this code. Some CSS code will be available. This JavaScript and CSS code will be available. This one. See here. So these are all the HTML code. So you don't need to worry. Okay. So that one only they are saying. So, and billions of websites that are registered dream of getting their websites in the top of the search engine results, which is SEO is the only way and no alternative. So, in order to get you on the top of the search results, so SEO you have to do. So, billions of websites are developed daily, and billions of websites are doing SEO. So, in order to compete with that particular websites, you have to do the best SEO. So, SEO is a free targeted marketing worldwide. So website with tons of visitors can easily make money through ads in it. So Google AdSense is one of the such platform. So by using Google AdSense, so you can earn the money. So you have to apply for the Google AdSense. So we will discuss those things. You don't need to worry. So how to apply for the Google AdSense also we will discuss. So a website with tons of visitors can easily make money through ads in it. So Google AdSense is one such platform. So unlike other software courses like .NET, PHP, Java, so SEO has no versions or nor prerequisite. So if you want to enter into any software job, definitely you should have some knowledge on software courses like .NET or PHP or Java. But here SEO, for in order to do SEO, you don't need to learn anything. If you learn SEO, it's enough. So like some HTML knowledge. So SEO awareness in the market is very much limited. So in fact, more than 90% of the websites owners don't even know how to rank their website on the top of the search engine. So hence demand is high for the SEO. So even the results that you achieve from SEO are long lasting. Sometimes even after the years, the website's ranking doesn't fall in the search engine. So if you do continuously for 2 to 3 months, so then when the results, when your work started, when you after 2 to 3 months, when the results started, so when your website is getting on the top of search results, if you continue to years, even though if you don't do the ranking, if you don't do the SEO, but that kind of SEO you have to do continuously for 2 to 3 months. So then you will get automatically your website will be listed. First, this is only for in certain cases. Certain cases you have to do again SEO because some for some websites only you will get the, but for 2 to 3 months you have to do the SEO perfectly. And it has got a huge market for the freelancers who wish to work online. So you can also do the work with the by the freelancer as a freelancer. Also you can do SEO in countries like US and UK is very expensive. So the work is outsourced to South Asian countries like India, where you can work online and get paid hourly. So even you can do work online only. So see here, online also you can do the, if you have knowledge on SEO, you can earn money through the online also by doing SEO projects like from you have to register on that particular website like elance.com, wordest.com. These are all the website you can do as a freelancer also. So the income through SEO is like a pension rather than salary. So if you get the, when you are getting income from the SEO, it's not a salary, it's like a pension, or it's a passive income. It's not a active income, it's a passive income. So for software companies, this domain has got the maximum profit margin. So that work that costs them few thousands, they can easily charge lakhs from their clients. So that's why most of the companies are, even MNC companies are also working on this SEO projects, and they are recruiting the people and they are working for their clients projects. So because of they can charge the lakhs of crores of rupees from their clients. In fact, sometimes the keyword bidding goes over crores, and SEO is that's why very very SEO is that's why very very expensive. That means it's a whenever you are bidding in AdWords, this topic will come. So whenever you want to, rather than SEO, if you want to go for AdWords, so the keywords will be very very expensive. So whenever you want to, you don't have that much amount, or you don't want to pay that much amount for that particular keyword, so then alternately you have to go for the SEO. So when you are going for the SEO, definitely you have to pay lakhs of rupees in order to get your website on the top of the search results. So even the income from the AdSense is also 100% genuine. So you don't need to worry whether you get the money or not. So 100% genuine, you will get the amount, whatever you earn money, the amount will be transferred to your account by the amount which you earn from the AdSense. So this is the concept of this SEO basics. So just we will see wordesk.com how we can register. I also don't know, just I will see. Elance I know, but okay. So Odesk also same, it is redirect into Upwork. So Upwork and Elance also same. Same, both are same. So if you have to register in this Upwork, and then you have to start as a, you want to you want to post a job or you want to work as a freelancer. So then you can just log in. You just first sign up into that particular Upwork. You have to get started, and then you can show your skills, like you whatever the skills you have to just give your skills, and then you can get the projects related to your skills, and you can get paid. You will get the amount. Okay, so like this you have even not only Upwork freelance, also there freelance.com. So even you don't need to worry that you are not getting, whether you have jobs in the market or not. Even you can work by simply by sitting in the simply in front by sitting simply in front of the computer. If you have internet connection and computer in your home, you can simply work through the online, and you can earn money simply by sitting in your home. You can earn money, you don't need to even go to outside. Also, this is another one, freelance. This one also you can, just a second. Okay, so here also you have to uh, sign up, and then you can showcase your skills, and then you will get the related your skills related projects. And not only this Upwork freelance, and another one also there, Internshala. I think this the Indian one. So this in International also you can do the internships, like you can get internships in Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai. And on that particular profile also you will get computer science, marketing, finance, see digital marketing internships. You can get plenty of digital marketing internships in this. See here, ops and marketing, 25,000 to 30,000 per month they are ready to pay. This is the Uber company. See here, and content writing. And see here, social media marketing also they will have. And for digital marketing, FAIT, JEE, they are providing 1,000 rupees per month. Next away technologies. And for social media marketing, CL education, digital marketing, HT Media Limited, content writing, Trepoto, social media marketing, Times Network, and social media marketing. See here, Caratlan Trading Private Limited for social media marketing. So you will get like this. You will get, see here how many websites you are getting. See here, 60 Ventures, digital marketing, Technocratic Solutions, digital marketing. So like this, you will get plenty of opportunities. You can apply to this particular websites, particular projects, and then you complete their task, and then you will get paid. You will be get paid the amount, stipulated amount what is mentioned here. So you have to apply by posted and applied by, like this. You have to see the details, and if you have that skills, so definitely you can apply for that particular work. So like this, you don't need to worry, or you don't need to get confusion on whether we get job or not. Even if you don't get job also, you can simply work by completing these projects. So simply you can earn by simply sitting on the in the home. See here, thousands of jobs are available here on the internet, on the online. Thousands of projects are available. Just by simply applying, you can get the work. So these are one, two, two, three, 1223 digital marketing internships are available in this internshala. So if you apply for 1223, even you will get a minimum 10 to 15, 10 to 20 projects you will get. So in a month, you can if you do the 10 to if you complete those 10 to 20 projects, so definitely you will get lakhs of rupees. Okay, by simply sitting in the home, you can earn lakhs of rupees. But you have to work hard. You have to apply. You have to you have to complete the task on time. So then only you will get the amount. So this is the this is the concept of, these are the basics of the SEO, and these are all the topics which are involved in the SEO. So the main topics are the keyword research and this SEO, the on-page automation and the off-page automation. So tomorrow we have some more small topic to discuss, and then we move to the keyword analysis. So search engine components, one topic is there. So after discussing search engine components, so we go to the keyword analysis. Okay. So after discussing that search engine components, what are the search engine components are available in the market. So how the search engine do the this particular how on what basis the search engine is going to give you the results on the particular targeted keyword. Those and the small topic is there, that is not a big topic. So that's no need to that on that particular topic you don't need to do anything on this. You just in order to have the knowledge on the search engines, we are going to discuss the search engine components. But it's not at all you are not going to do anything on when you do the SEO. So it's a understanding purpose. So but the main topics are, when you do SEO, you have to do this keyword analysis and the on page and off page. So the search engine component is only for the understanding purpose. I'm going to discuss. So first we discuss search engine components, and then we move to the keyword planner or keyword analysis. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. So we continue the class from in tomorrow class.